For the last few nights, it has dropped below freezing in Central Florida, and my food forest felt it. Tropical plants don't whisper when they're cold. They just tell the truth. Today, we're going to talk about what freezing temperatures actually do to tropical plants and why this isn't a failure. My name is Katrina, and here at Edible Trails Garden, we grow a mix of native, subtropical, and tropical plants. Every winter, even a mild one, becomes a teacher. Below freezing temperatures don't just stress tropical plants. It reveals design decisions, microclimates, and timing. This kind of freeze is not normal for Central Florida. We expect cool nights, maybe in the upper 30s, but sustained or hard freezes are not normal here. And when they do happen, they are usually part of a bigger, unusual weather pattern, and that doesn't happen often. Permaculture isn't about pretending that rare events won't happen. It's about designing systems that recover when they do. Tropical plants, especially bananas, are full of water. And when temperatures drop below freezing, that water expands inside the plant cells, and then those cells rupture. Some damage doesn't show up right away. Plants can look fine today and then collapse 3 days later.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Leaves usually take the first hit, and roots survive a little longer, especially if they're mulched or protected. After a hard freeze, don't rush and grab your pruners and cut everything back. This dead growth is protecting living tissue underneath. I observe, I wait, and I take notes. This freeze, it wasn't normal, but it doesn't need to be panic. Rare events shape better designs, and every cold snap makes this forest smarter. Freezing temperatures are not a failure of tropical plants. They are a reminder of where we are and how systems respond. Every cold snap teaches me something. Where to plant next time, what needs protection, and what earns its keep. This garden is not about perfection. It is about paying attention. If you have ever tried growing tropical plants in a not so tropical place, drop a comment below and let me know what survived your last frost. Thanks for joining me on the trail today. Let's grow. My fingers are frozen. Let's grow.